30秒一段情境，马上能用的英文。这里是30秒情境英文。
Morning, Jake. Did you sleep well?
Not really. Someone was snoring all night.
Oh no! Was it me?
Yeah, just a bit. It was kind of rhythmic.
That's so embarrassing. I didn't know I snored.
Don't worry, lots of people snore when they're tired or have a cold.
Maybe I should see a doctor.
Yeah, or try a nasal strip. It helped my dad a lot.
Good idea. I don't want to keep you up next time.
Thanks. But honestly, I've heard worse. Once my roommate sounded like a chainsaw.
Wow, poor you. I'll bring you earplugs next time.
Deal. Let's grab coffee and forget about it.
本集的重点单字和句型都整理好了，需要参考复习可以点击下方连结。我们下次见，拜拜。